Okay, so today we're gonna be installing some side skirts for the Q50. This is the ones I got. I'm about to prep them for paint. Pretty much just wash them really nice so they don't have any fucking dirt or any grease on it. There's like a little bend right here. After that, just sand it for a little bit, not a lot. Then we're gonna put 4 coats of gloss black and 4 coats of clear. Just depends how shiny you want them, but make sure you put them even. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna paint some side skirts for the Q50. Alright guys, so this is what I did. I just on matte black for the first coat, just because I didn't have enough paint of the other one. So yeah, there we go. That's how it's looking. I got both of them. This is already their second coat with the flat matte. I'm about to do another coat right now. So yeah, let's see how it turns out to be. Pretty much this is the same paint I use when I painted my front lip and the back refuser. Glass clear for the clear coat, glass black, and a little bit for the first coat of matte black. But yeah, this is how it's coming up right now. Still kind of wet, but hey, it's getting there. Alright guys, so we're about to install the side skirts, the Q50. They're paint and ready. Yeah, pretty much you want to clean up the bottom of the car and the side skirt with some alcohol so the M3 tape sticks. Then after that you put a couple screws, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty much self-explain, and just make sure how much space you're gonna put right here so the tire doesn't hit it. Same with the back. But yeah, simple and easy, and let's see how it looks. Alright guys, so the side skirts are done. I just washed the car so it's nice and clean. So yeah, that's how they look. Look pretty good. I'll buck up a little bit. That's how they look. Not bad. I like it. The other side is done also. You can barely see it because right now the sun is pretty bad. But this side you can see it much better. But yeah, that's how they turn to be.